Hello HipKit friends, it's Antonia here today with my first layout for November, and for this layout I'm still using the September releases, which are just fantastic and I can't get enough of them. And today I'm using the September 2024 main kit, embellishment kit, cardstock kit and the bookshelves cut file. So I'm just making a start with the cut files here. And I left the cut file at its original size, which means that using it on an A4 format, which is my usual format, will make it slightly oversized. But I wanted it to be the central or focal point of the layout. And I wanted the shelf to be brown. I didn't have any brown paper or cardstock in the September releases, so I just used the Persimmon ink pad from the August color kit to color the cardstock, and I cut the book shapes out from cardstock from the cardstock kit, and I used 3 deeper colors for the main book shapes and 3 lighter colors for the backing. And I just really love how these books are all separate, so you can cut them separately and then you can just mix and match and stack them as you wish, or alternatively you could make one piece out of all the separate books by bringing them a little bit together and then using the welding option on your silhouette program. So once the cut file pieces were glued together, I made a start on the rest of the layout by choosing the right background paper. I've done this by selecting some neutral patterns and colors, and then I just auditioned these to see which one suited the photo and the cut file best. I matted my photo onto pattern paper, and then I decided to ground the layout by using little bits of off-cut pattern papers and a couple of banding strips for the bottom, and then I counterbalanced these at the top. So I decided to hang some banners from the top of the page, as this layout is documenting and celebrating my son starting his 2nd year at university. So the whole banner concept made sense. And I also used the banners for the title, which just simply states Year 2. It just seemed the ideal spot to place the title. And then I went on and made a start with the embellishments. So with the September releases, I have created 3 quite elaborate pages previously, and I decided to keep this one quite a nice, easy, simple layout. So instead of heavy embellishment clustering, I decided to go easy and lightly sprinkled a few embellishments around the page, hopefully in an aesthetically pleasing way. So here are some of the close-ups of my completed layout. I hope you find my process video inspiring. Be sure to keep checking back to our YouTube channel as we upload process videos daily. And you can also check out our friendly Facebook group for further inspiration. And if you decide to subscribe to our monthly kits, you will receive a saving on the main kit, further discounts for add-on kits, and you will get free access to all of our cut files. Thanks for watching, bye now!